Today I'm going to show you how to share a document with some of your classmates. And the whole purpose of sharing a document is to get comments and for them to help make your project the best it possibly can. This is my example of my document. So I'm going to go up in the top right hand corner where it says share, and I'm going to click on it. Now this will allow me to enter as many different email addresses as I want for me to share my project with. So I'm just going to type in my wife's email address, and I'm going to click right there. When you type in someone's email address, you can do a bunch at the same time, so you can do several. So I can type in her name, I can press enter, and I can go ahead and type in the next email address. One thing you have to be very careful about is to make sure that you change this so it says can comment. Now if it were to say can edit, that would mean you're working on the same project together. Can view, that's like how someone shares something with you and you can only look at it. So for this project I want to click on can comment. I don't need to notify her via email, so I'm going to uncheck that and I'm going to click share and save. Now if you skip sending, that's okay. I'm just going to press OK. It'll take a second and it will load it up here. Now if I made a mistake and I clicked on can edit, I can always change it right here. I don't want you to delete anything else. Just type in some email addresses and click can comment. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when somebody is actually making the comments. If you look over here in the top right hand corner, in a second you will see somebody has joined. Now what's really neat is this is going to show the S. My wife's first name is Sadie, so it shows you she is looking at the document right now. What we can do is when you make a comment to somebody, it's important to improve their paper or their story or whatever they're typing. So for instance, if she wanted to highlight reading, she's going to highlight it and then she's going to click on insert and go to comment. Now she's going to type a comment in and it will pop up on my screen in just a second. And she's typing, or I'm typing for her, and it says you might want to think of changing the font color. And then she's going to press comment. Now I'll show you on my screen what that's going to look like. You see right over here this popped up. So it shows Sadie Heaton at 11:11 today. She made this comment. It says you might want to think of changing the font color. If I click on it, it shows you this is the word that she highlighted to make the comment. Now what I can do is I can reply back. I'm going to click reply to this comment. I'm going to put thanks. I love this idea. I'm going to keep it positive. I'm not going to make fun of somebody. I'm going to make sure their work is improving, my work is improving. You do need to click that reply button. Now when she opens up her document of yours, she's going to see the thanks, I love this idea. Now she's going to want to do more. So what I would do now is have the person come up with another one. You're going to highlight the part. So for instance, I can click highlight right here and I can click insert and I'm just going to go down and find comment. Now you're not going to make comments on your own story or your own project. That's what you want your classmates to do. So I'm going to show you another comment right here. She's going to click insert comment and then she's going to put I would change the font size of this question. And you always have to click on comment. Now again, you'll see it pop up right here. I would change the font size of this question. Well, if you're not sure which one she's talking about, you simply click on the question and it's highlighted right there. And then you can reply back, thanks. I'll do that. You press reply and you have kind of a back and forth conversation about improving your story and also by helping somebody else's story improve as well. So now it's your turn. Remember, we're going to click on the top right hand corner, click on share, type in the email addresses of the people you want to share it with, and then whenever somebody shares something with you, make sure that you're clicking on shared with me. So if your friend says, hey, I shared a document with you, you're going to click on shared with me, open up their document, just like I did with my wife's story and my story, and we went back and forth. Now, they don't have to be on at the exact same time to make comments. You can leave a comment and they'll see it the next time they open it. All right, thank you very much.